You're about to see the before and after of the 100-year-old house that I just renovated. Let's jump straight into the video.
Let's go inside. Check out this dump. This was an extension to the house. A ton of work. Stairs, let's go inside. Busted door. Check it out. Old garbage that the previous owners left. Check out this awesome kitchen. Classic cabinets. Sink, not even there no more. Here's the bathroom. Hole in the floor, falling apart. This entire place will be completely gutted. AC unit right here, all messed up. Water heater, pipes cut. Now let's go to the rest of the house. All right, in the living room, we got an ugly, whatever that thing is. Bunch of more trash. Windows need a ton of work. All the crown molding around them. The trim is completely destroyed, gone. More garbage. This dude was a smoker, so you can imagine the smell in this house. Check out this door. Bedroom number 1. Carpet is unsavable, completely disgusting. Old light fixtures, a ton more trash. Classic windows, more windows. A VCR, if any of you guys know what that is. All right, let's go into the closets. Not closets, the other room. Check it out. 2 closets right here. Door leading out, window, more garbage. Older windows, some teddy bear wallpaper. Old carpets, bunch of garbage. All right, so that is pretty much it. That is the interior of this property. Let's quickly go back out again.
As you can see, this house needed a ton of work. I bought this house in order to fix it up and rent it out. This is how I invest in real estate. I buy properties that need a ton of work, renovate them, and then make passive income every single month. Obviously, this does require a ton of work, but I'm willing to put in the work. That way, I will be able to have some passive income in my later years. But as you can see, this house needed absolutely everything. So now we are inside of the living room. As you can see, the floor is completely finished and leveled. I will show you guys photos of how it used to be before. The entire floor was uneven, so we ended up replacing some beams, and now everything is perfect. Also, brand new blinds installed on the windows, on this one as well, and brand new light fixtures, also brand new paint, electrical, all of that stuff. The internet is connected. We will be installing a 6-camera security system as well. The HVAC is done. Now let me show you the first bedroom. Check it out. We did install carpets in this room and the other one. Got a great deal on the carpets and the installation, so definitely had to go with the carpets. New blinds over here as well. Small closet. Now let's go to the other room. All right, so this is the kitchen and the dining area. Also new flooring as well. New cabinets, blinds. The stove has arrived, which is definitely good. We are still waiting for Lowe's to deliver the refrigerator. Hopefully in the next couple of days, it will be delivered. And we will be installing the backsplash as well. That is why we do not have the covers on the electrical outlets. But once that comes in, that will be easily installed and the kitchen will be done. Brand new plumbing as well, so that is good. We got a big light right here. That is why it is very bright in this house. This is the dining area, access to the attic, some leftover tools. Now let's go to the bedroom number 2. Check it out. This area right here used to have a door that led to the other bedroom. We patched that up. Check it out. New blinds as well.
double closet. And that is it for this bedroom. And now let's go to the other one. Check it out. This is the exit area. I will show you guys pictures of how this used to be. All this area was open with windows. We tore all of that down, painted the stairs, which is definitely good. Also had some leftover flooring, so we had to install it right here. Ladder will be removed as well. We ended up painting the around. Brand new TV mount. This will be like an entertainment area. We got a brand new window here with blinds. Close the door. So this is more, before it used to be a open patio. Now it is like a extra room to chill, storage, whatever you want to do with this room. All right. Now let me show you guys the bathroom. This bathroom has received the majority of the work compared to the rest of the house.
This is the bathroom after we started the demolition. We removed everything, the drywall, the old toilet, all the plumbing was replaced, all the electrical. Literally the only thing that was left in the bathroom were the beams. And we ended up replacing some of those as well. So everything in the bathroom was completely gutted and removed.
As you can see, the bathroom was completely redone, and we did change some things around. The toilet used to be in this corner right here, and the bathtub was facing this direction. Pretty much anyone that was over 150 pounds would have a hard time squeezing in just to fit in the area in the corner because the bathtub was blocking it. Now it is completely open. We did install a brand new shower, brand new tile. Everything right here was redone as well. Brand new toilet with the poop cleaner, stuff for the towels. Brand new window right here. Some more accessories. Also brand new flooring as well. This is where the washer and dryer will go. And this is the water heater. We still need a couple of final touches in this area as well, like to clean up the foam and all of that stuff, but it is almost done. Check it out. Bathroom is very spacious. All right, so that is it for the bathroom. This house is almost complete. I already have a tenant in line that will be moving into this property in the next week or so. So over the next couple of days, we will be cleaning all the dust, getting everything ready for the tenant to move in. I will also be giving you guys a full breakdown of all the numbers in the next video, so make sure you stay tuned for that video if you want to know how much it costs to renovate this property. Pretty much all the small costs that add up when you are renovating rental properties. If you enjoyed the video, press the like button, subscribe to the channel, and see you in the next one. Peace out.